got myself a little backwards on this wiring for this Century b855 pool motor. It's got the piggybacked capacitor. Let's see if I can get this inside here to show this. So it's the b855, there's a serial number, part numbers, etc. And that's all it gives me for a wiring diagram. Shows the one of the lines going to the power lines for the 230, 240, whatever you want to call that. It goes to the L1 on the inner lug of the two males, stay off the B. And then the other one, the white, so it's a blue and a white wire inside this thing, goes to the inner L2 off of the A. So I pulled my wires off temporarily just to show this as clearly as I possibly can. My intention here, since we have two male, all my power's off, so I'm gonna use this as a pointer. So I'm gonna put one of the power, the red, I'm gonna put on this inner lug here. Focus a little better. And then the other one's gonna go right here on this terminal. Sorry, gonna go right here on this terminal. But I don't know if this internal white wire here, which I assume is associated with the capacitor, because it comes from the housing itself, not from my own supply. There's a black wire back here that probably comes off the capacitor, but it's tucked behind this white shroud. I hope this is focusing well. And then there's this questionable wire. I just don't know if it goes over here on this little standalone offset one, or if that white wire belongs over here. So that's the big question for me, and any help would be much appreciated.